Hello there. Well, for many of us, it was a wet start to Sunday, as you can see on the satellite and radar picture from earlier. But that rain continues to push its way northwards, but we are left with a lot of cloud behind. So as we go through the rest of today, still outbreaks of rain across the far east into parts of Scotland. And here we've got that breeze coming in off the North Sea, really taking the edge off those temperatures. But further west, this is where we'll see the best of the brightness throughout today, although still one or two showers around at times, and a top temperature there of around 14 degrees. Now, eventually, as we go through tonight, we lose that rain and becoming dry with clear skies for a time. But you can see behind me here, the next system starts to work its way into Northern Ireland, and ahead of it, there will be a few showers too. So those showers continue to push their way across western parts as we move through Monday. Some of these could be heavy in places, but it looks like East Anglia and the South East will stay largely dry as we go through Monday, and those temperatures will be feeling a little bit warmer too. Bye-bye. Hello again. So some warmer weather on the way as we go through the next few days. But in the short term, well, it's still looking fairly unsettled across the UK with low pressure systems in charge of things, driving showers our way at times and some blustery winds. But as I say, we start to import some much milder air. In fact, by Thursday, you can see the orange colours on the chart here. Some parts of the UK could be looking at highs of 21, even higher in places. So some very warm weather on the way for some. Now, in the meantime, for the rest of tonight, that rain continues to push its way northwards. Clear skies for a time before the next system starts to work its way into Northern Ireland, and ahead of that there will be a fair few showers too. So as we move into Monday morning, a lot of clouds, some outbreaks of rain across western parts. Some of that rain could be heavy across the higher ground too, but across East Anglia and the South East, largely dry here. This is where we'll see the best of the temperatures, and away from the breeze, it will be feeling rather warm out there too. Bye-bye. Hello and a very good evening to you. Hope you're all keeping well. So finally, some much warmer weather to be talking about as we go through the next few days. But we've still got low pressure in charge of things. It's going to drive further weather systems our way at times, and it will be quite blustery on and off too. But all the while, we continue to pull in that warmer air. In fact, by the time we get to Thursday, some parts of the UK could be looking at highs of 21 degrees, even higher than that in places. So some very warm air to come. Now, in the meantime, for the rest of tonight, well, fairly quiet out there at the moment, but you can see behind me here cloud and rain across parts of Northern Ireland. That's going to push its way into western parts as we move through Monday, and some of that rain could be heavy across the higher ground too, and quite blustery winds with it. Further south and east, though, largely dry here with some beautiful spells of sunshine, and away from the breeze, feeling rather warm tomorrow here. We're looking at highs there up to around 17 degrees. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.